Welcome back to English Stories with Emma and Alex. Today, our favorite characters are going to a big shopping mall. Their friend Max is having a birthday party tonight, and they need to find the perfect gift. But choosing a gift with a friend can sometimes be difficult because everyone has different ideas. Let's see how they manage their shopping trip today. Before we start the story, I have a small question for you. Please listen very carefully to find the answer. What did Max accidentally break last year? The answer will be mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write it in the comments section at the end of the video. Writing in English helps you learn much faster. All right, relax, get comfortable, and let's begin.
Okay, Alex, focus. We have exactly 2 hours before Max's birthday party, and we still do not have a gift. We need to be quick.
Don't worry, Emma. I am always focused when it comes to shopping. And actually, I already have a great plan. Let's buy him a giant toy drone with a 4K camera. It can fly very high and it looks amazing.
Alex, we talked about this before. Max is 25 years old. He works at a bank. Why does a bank worker need a flying toy drone?
Because everyone loves flying drones, Emma. It doesn't matter how old you are. He can fly it in his office during his lunch break. It helps to reduce stress.
No, he cannot fly a drone inside a bank office. There are too many expensive computers and documents there. Knowing Max, he would crash it into a window or a person on the very first day. He is a bit clumsy, remember?
Well, maybe a little bit clumsy, but it has an automatic landing button. It is very easy to control.
No drones, Alex. It is an expensive toy and he will use it only once and then it will just sit in his closet. We need something more useful. Look at this instead. It is a smart mug. It keeps your coffee or tea hot all day, and you can control the exact temperature with a phone app. It is very useful for his office desk.
A smart mug? Emma, let's be honest. That is a very boring gift. Who wants a mug that needs a software update and a Wi-Fi connection just to drink green tea?
It is not boring, it is practical. Max loves drinking warm tea while he works on his computer. Every time I call him, he complains that his tea got cold because he was too busy. This mug solves his problem perfectly.
But it has no soul, Emma. A birthday gift should be exciting. When Max opens the box, I want to see a big smile on his face, not a confused look. If I give him a mug, he'll think I bought it at the last minute because I forgot his birthday.
It is a premium, high-quality mug, Alex. It looks very elegant.
Well, I still think it's too simple. Let's walk around a bit more and find something that we both like, okay? If you don't like the drone and me don't like the smart mug, what else do you suggest? Do you have any other ideas? Ooh, I think an experience is much better than a physical object. Things can break, but memories stay forever. What about an escape room voucher? We can buy a ticket for 4 people and all go together this weekend.
An escape room? Alex, did you completely forget what happened last year when we went to an escape room?
What happened last year? I remember we had fun. We laughed a lot.
We laughed, but Max did not laugh. He got so stressed by the loud music and the countdown timer that he got nervous. He tried to open a locked wooden box, pulled it too hard, and accidentally broke a prop key inside the wall.
Oh, right. I forgot about the key. The game master had to come into the room with a flashlight and rescue us because we were stuck.
Exactly. Max was so embarrassed, he didn't talk for the rest of the evening. So, no, an escape room is definitely a bad idea for his birthday. We want him to relax, not to be stressed.
Okay, you were right. No escape rooms. My memory is clearly not as good as yours. Look at this, an industrial pizza oven for the kitchen. It says it can bake a pizza in just 2 minutes. Max loves pizza. Every Friday night, he orders a large pepperoni pizza.
Look at the size of this machine. It is huge. Max lives in a small one-bedroom apartment downtown. His kitchen is tiny. If he puts this pizza oven on his counter, he will have no space left for his microwave or his toaster.
But think about the pizza, Emma. Fresh, hot, homemade pizza every day. He can save so much money on delivery.
He doesn't know how to make pizza dough, Alex. He doesn't even know how to cook pasta properly. He will use this oven to heat up frozen pizzas from the supermarket, and that is a waste of a good machine.
Wow, you have an answer for everything today. You are a very difficult shopping partner.
I am not difficult. I am realistic. I know Max very well. We need something that fits his lifestyle. He likes to travel, he likes his job, and he likes stylish things. Look at this shop. It looks very nice. What about this premium leather travel bag? Max often travels to other cities for business meetings, and his old sports backpack looks terrible. It is completely broken and has holes in it.
Let me see. Actually, I really like this. The leather feels very soft and strong. It looks very professional.
Right? It has a special compartment for a laptop, a pocket for documents, and enough space for clothes for a 2-day trip. It is both beautiful and useful.
Yes, it is much better than a regular backpack. It says, "I am a serious business professional," but it is still very practical. How much does it cost?
Well, it is a bit expensive because it is real leather. It costs more than we planned to spend individually.
Oh, I see. That is a problem. I don't have enough cash for the whole bag right now.
Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we buy it together? One big, perfect gift from both of us. It is much better than buying 2 small, cheap gifts that he won't use.
That is actually a brilliant idea, Emma. We combine our money, buy him this amazing leather travel bag, and write a nice card together.
Perfect. I'm so glad we finally agreed on something. Let's go to the cashier, pay for the bag, and we can go to the party.
Great. But next year, we're definitely buying the drone.
We'll see about that, Alex. Let's go.
What a relief! Emma and Alex solved the problem and found a wonderful joint gift for Max. Now, let's see if you listened carefully to the story. Here is the question from the beginning one more time. What did Max accidentally break last year? Did you find the answer? If you did, please type your answer in the comments section below this video. Even a very short and simple sentence is perfect. Practicing your English writing like this is the best way to build your confidence. If you enjoyed shopping with Emma and Alex today, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and create more stories for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.